Our philosophy has been from the beginning is to do stuff ourselves. We find we can gear up faster because we're in control of it. We've got the assets here to build our own product. We can make a change really quick for a customer if we want to. We can make a change if the market changes, and we're a bunch of engineers and we want to control it anyway.
We design equipment relatively quick as far as product development is concerned. And then the engineers hand build the first machine, which allows them to see the issues or any errors. And then because we have manufacturing here, we're able to make changes on the fly and address those before we even ship that first machine.
Somebody's got an idea, we'll all get around the tractor, talk about it, and then at that point, if it's something that needs to be changed, then we'll call the engineers in.
As we go through the build process, we have different checkpoints where we do quality checks. We do heat cycles on our machines to work all those hoses, the O-rings, and identify problems before they get too far.
We just don't throw anything together to try to get it out the door. Attention to detail is the big thing, and that leads into quality. Quality leads into a good running product.
From what I understand, they make a lot of the parts here in this country, and that is really important to me and to our company, and actually to our country.
Being made in America is very important to us here. We've added, I think it's north of 100 employees in LaGrange to do the welding and manufacturing side of it in-house.
We've insourced numerous products, all the way from saw heads to cabs to blades, tanks. We even created a small parts area where we're fabricating small brackets and supports, and there's probably about 1,000 parts that we've brought in just in that area alone.
You need to be more nimble and faster reacting. Having that manufacturing and assembly here in-house has helped us do just that, be more reactive and be able to make changes quicker and be able to control our quality better than if we have outside vendors making parts or manufacturing for us.
I think it's hugely beneficial that Weiler is the size that it is. Just this last week, we called the factory, we had an issue, and they had it documented that one other machine had a similar issue, and we had it figured out in a matter of 2 hours.
They can control the quantity they build, the quality they can build, and we can actually order pieces that we couldn't order before. Instead of ordering a complete component, we can order just a piece to fix the component, which is very cost savings for the customer.
The best advice I can give for our customer would be to communicate with our team because we're very responsive in implementing changes. Any issues they may have in the field, we're constantly looking at options to eliminate those issues and to get the best result for our customer.
We have the best employees in the world. We really want to keep them employed doing what they're doing. They'll build the best product for us locally. That's what we want to do.